Hi, good day everyone. I'm CH Reddy from Crystal Spiders Institute. Guys, today we can see that how to write a simple Java program, right? A basic Java program, and how to compile the Java program, and how to execute the Java program. So before that, first verify whether we have installed a JDK software and a JRE software, and we set the class path in our laptop. Okay, guys. So I'm going to open command prompt in my laptop. Just I'm going to verify. So Java C, that is what JDK software is installed or not in my laptop, and set the class path for Java C. So it is pop up the parameters, guys. That means so Java C JDK software is installed successfully, and set the class path. And now I'm going to type Java and say hit enter. So now again, this is pop up all the options I can see here. So Java is JRE is installed, and class path is also set for Java. So we are good, guys. And now I'm going to clear the window here, CLS. So now I can start writing a sample Java program. For that, I'm going to open a notepad file. And in this notepad, so notepad is enough, guys, to start writing the basic SQL, basic Java programs. So now here I'm going to start writing a Java program. Always Java program should define a class, guys. So I'm going to say class, and you have to specify the name for this class. So this is a class name will be act as identifier. So I'm going to say this is example. This is the class. Here the example is going to be the class identifier, and every class should have the main method. So now I'm going to start. I'm going to write that main method. This is the main method, guys. Okay. And the main method should have, we have to write an argument to the main method. So that argument type is string data type. And here that args is the array type of variable. So args is the array type of variable, and its a data type is a string. So here, guys, we can start writing the Java code. So here every Java program should have this main method, and inside main method we are going to start writing the Java code. And here, guys, I'm just going to print a message from my Java program. So that message, to print that message, I'm going to use a system class out and the println method. So here, guys, I'm going to put a message here. Hello, I'm CHRD from Crystal Spiders Institute. So this is what the message, guys, I would like to print on the console. So let's save this program, guys. And always it is recommended ways we can use this, whatever the class name we define here, same name I'm going to use to store this file, and extension is a .java. So I'm going to save this file. Let's save this file. And when I'm going to save this file, guys, so you can save it anywhere. So I'm going to save under F drive, and here you can put your path. Let's say Java programs. So under Java program, I'm going to save. First, don't use this text for extension, guys. I'm going to specify all files. So now I can simply say example.java and save that file. That's it, guys. So we save this program with the name example.java in the F drive in Java programs folder. So that's it, guys. And let's go to the command prompt. And now I'm going to change that directory. So now let's make it a F drive. So in the F drive, let's see that what are all folders are there. So we saved that Java program under Java programs folder. Let's change the directory to Java programs, and just clear the console here and display what are all the files. And right now I'm seeing a file example.java. So first, guys, we need to compile the Java program every time. So to compile the Java program, I'm going to use a Java C command and click enter. Now it is not showing any message. That means it is compiled successfully. So as soon as Java program is compiled, we can see a class file in the same path. So let's go to the F drive, Java programs folder, F drive, Java programs folder. And there you see, as soon as when we compile the Java program, we can see a class file. So now I'm going to execute this class file from the command prompt. So how do we execute? I can say Java example. So click enter button. Now I'm executing Java program. So I can see that message is printed. So this is the way, guys, we can simply create a simple Java program and execute here. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.